Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Google Chrome's auto sign in to your Google accounts in your Google Chrome web browser. I show you guys how to disable it. Open up Google Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select you and Google. On right side select sync and Google services. Click on it and you just need to scroll down. Allow Chrome sign in. By turning this off, you can sign in to Google site like Gmail without signing in to a Chrome. You just need to turn it off, guys. Allow Chrome sign in. And after turning it off, to apply your changes, relaunch Chrome, guys. Select relaunch. After relaunching Chrome, the changes has been saved, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.